So let's look at searchability. How do we build searchability? Very important. So first is for us to understand that the searchability we will be able to build through. आप में से कितने लोगों ने कुंडली का मैच मेकिंग किया है? Any of you have done the matchmaking of Kundli? Here the matchmaking is between JD and CV. The compatibility should be 60% and above. That is the first condition. When this happens, automatically your profile start showing up. You increase your search, maybe on LinkedIn, job portals, everywhere. You will increase your search, which means you start appearing on the search. The next problem could be, because of this, what could happen is two things. When you have high search, it could be like you're not having high search, or you're having high search but there is no connection to your profile. So if the high search is not happening, then we'll have to change the keyword game. There's something that we got to identify within keyword which is not working. You'll have to keep working every 7 to 10 days. Make changes and optimize. Make changes, optimize. Know which keywords are working well for your profile. You could say that, Yogesh, I am having very good connection, very good searchability, but there's no connection. Which means that recruiters, when they type specific keywords, your profile is showing up, but they are not taking any action on it. So what do we do? When they are not taking any action on it, what we need to start doing is we got to find right CTAs, call to actions, right? And this ideally happens at your bio or key skills section. Optimizing these two can give you better CTAs. And then once we optimize this, what happens is your resume are downloaded, and the first, let's assume this is your first page of the resume. This section, I want you to pay attention here. The first page and this section of your first page is the winning section. Why? Because the eyes will spend maximum time in this section. Maximum time. So the recruiter will skim like this, come down, and this. ये तो अलग ले लिया इसने. That's it. It skims the profile in the Z pattern. They'll go left to right, diagonal, and then again left to right. Here we got to give executive summary. A lot of people put a lot of text. They'll write my objective and this and that and all of that. Not needed. Optimize this section of your profile. How many of you would like me to share a profile with you? Hmm? No? Okay. Very senior guy. Okay. Look at this. So what is done is, how can I be helpful? The executive summary, the profile, the expertise, the education section, Stanford, BITS Pilani, IIM, some awards. This is the only profile, and he's got 30 years of experience. Look at the numbers. Look at the numbers. Look at the numbers. Look at the terminologies and verbiage. Awards, all of it. Learnings, expertise, all of it. What I'm really willing to see is not 5, 7, 3, 4, 10 pages. We just need to, but we need to the point. Am I making the profile to the point? Less is more. If you've not invested enough time with your profile, please go back and read every line of your profile and see, apply the lean methodology. You know what is lean methodology? Reduce the waste. If there's a repetition, reduce. If it is irrelevant, reduce. Reduce it. इसको भले ही आप सेव एज करके नया प्रोफाइल रखो, बट ट्राई टू जस्ट कीप इट टू द मिनिमल एंड सी इफ दैट वर्क्स फॉर यू. Yeah. See, especially in executive profile, you don't need to use the repetition more. Yeah, so what you can then do there is give the first page as an executive summary and then followed by detailed experience in the next 2 pages. You can do that if that's the need. Yeah, do that if that's the need. But if the first, because very few of them might go to second and third page, फर्स्ट पेज ही पढ़ेंगे, तो फर्स्ट पेज पे हम एग्जीक्यूटिव समरी डाल दो ना, पूरा एक्सपीरियंस एक एग्जीक्यूटिव समरी प्रोफाइल में. उसमें स्किल्स भी आ गए, अवार्ड्स भी आ गए, लर्निंग्स भी आ गई, एजुकेशन भी आ गया, आउटकम्स भी आ गए, कैपेबिलिटीज भी आ गई, एवरीथिंग इज केटर्ड टू. Let it know, that's okay. This is actually what I've shared is just the first profile and it's one of the sample. You can tweak it to your need. Okay? Good, good. Any more questions, guys? Any more questions?
बाथरूम में बाप बुला रही है.
2 मिनट लागते मने. Can you repeat that, Harish? Yeah, same thing what I said, right? First page can be summary, and if you have like less experience, so 2 pages should be good enough, not necessarily just 1 page. See, what's the objective? Let's understand that. Objective, especially with people who've got 15 plus years of experience, is to have an executive summary and then thereby the detailed experience in the following pages. If you are like less than 10 years of experience, one pager, maximum two pager follow should be good enough. That's not a problem. Yeah, you should mention. Even if like two liners, three liners, that's okay. But you should mention all the companies. Yes.